Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a tutorial about PGA Tour 2K25 guys. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how you actually can get a copy of the game for free guys. If you want to learn how to do this, then watch the video until the end guys. I'm going to share with you all the steps I did for myself so you can learn it also how to do it on your own in any platform that you play. Okay, so all you have to do guys, you just need to grab your smartphone in your hand because you're going to need it. It doesn't matter the device you're using, it can be iOS, it can be Android. I'm going to share with you all the steps you need to follow because you're going to get the game code and you can redeem after the copy of the game in the platform that you play. Okay, so I'm just going to open the screen record here of my phone and I'm going to share with you all the steps you need to follow. Okay, so as you can see, I have screen recorder here in the site guys. The first step, you have to go to your internet browser guys. You can use Safari, Google, any kind of internet browser you prefer. Go and search about this site. It's called lulucoupons.com guys. So you just go on it. You have a lot of other things inside guys you can check later. Then I'm gonna make dark mode here in the corner. If you want, you can do it also. It's more visible, and you can use the searching bar to find the game, or you can just scroll it, and here it is. So you just need to press get the code and then scroll it up and show up the code, and you just need to wait a couple of seconds so the whole circle will get complete 100%. This is to check the validity of the coupons, and it says the coupon is valid. So the next page is showing us that the code is locked, so you need to get the full code, so you need to unlock the code basically. So it's going to take you to another page guys, which is required to complete little task in order to unlock the code, and it's very simple to do it guys. You just need to read the instructions. Anyway, I'm going to explain to you as well how to do it. Okay, so basically it says here on the top to download the complete two apps below to unlock PGA Tour 2K25 game code, and you have a note down below: do not use VPN or proxy, otherwise the process will fail probably if you use them. So all you have to do guys, you just need to choose two of the apps from the list below. As you can see, everything is for free in the list, and you don't have to pay anything, and all the apps are from App Store and Play Store, so practically they are from legit stores, for official stores, so you don't have to get worried about for anything. So you just need to choose two of these apps guys to complete it. So how it works, I'm going to explain to you right now. You just need to press on it. For example, I'm going to do Tokyo Debunker, so press on it. It shows again instructions, unlock now. So basically it's going to take me to App Store because I use iPhone, but if you're using Android device, it's going to take it to Play Store, and it's here it says to get the code, the game practically. So I just press it. Let me just Face ID. Okay, it's downloading. And sorry, once it's going to get complete this one, you just need to open it. All right, okay, so we're going to log to be on for a couple of seconds, and okay, we finished the first one. Then we go back to the site, we'll do the second one. I do this Lumo ZPN. It's very simple to do it, so make sure guys you read the instruction because different apps have different instructions, so you don't make any mistake. Okay, again it's going to take me to App Store. All right, so download also this one, and it's saying just to open for 30 seconds. So I found this easiest one guys. You can also try to choose which is the easiest so you don't lose too much time. Okay, just don't get confused guys, because in different countries can show up different apps, so don't confuse why you don't have the same apps as me. Okay, all right, just to keep it a few seconds open. Okay, and now what you have to do guys, you just have to go back to the site. All right, and then you have this button down to go back again to the site. You just press one step back, and as you can see the code gets revealed. So I'm just gonna copy the game guys, give a like to the site, and I'm gonna put it up here now to show you that the coupon is working. All right, so you just go in, put the code, agree, and then continue. As you can see, it works and it's successful. Okay, so basically guys, this is it. I hope it was helpful and useful. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the like button. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section guys. I'll be happy to get in touch with you and try to help you with everything you need. Okay, see you in the next videos. Cheers.